Hi there. Today we'll explore how to create multiple documents using the templator application. Let's begin by using the business letter template for showing gratitude to customers for their business and cooperation. This template has some predefined text like company name, document body, and parameter that will be changed based on the customer details such as their name, company name, and title. Now let's move to the template application. Click on create multiple documents button, select the template and click get details. Once the details are fetched, it will show you the already processed documents and the document to be processed. If there are no document to be processed, click on open batch data button to open up the Google Sheet to fill in the document detail. In the sheet, you will see all the variables from the template in each column. Put the detail for each column in a row, ensuring that you will only fill till the file name column. You don't have to fill the last three columns: processed, doc file, and PDF file. They are automatically generated by the application during processing. In the file name column, you can use any of those columns as a file name or standard text, or you can also use a combination of column name. For instance, you can use the concatenate function to combine more than one column value along with a string to get a file name, like the one I used here. If you want to export the PDF document along with the document files, toggle the Export PDF file option. Then click on Create Documents, and the progress bar will display the progress of batch generation process. When the batch generation process is complete, you will see a message to check the records for link. Go to the record section and you will see the document that were just generated. Open the PDF file to see the replaced variable with customer details such as the name, title, and the company name. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope this demonstration helps you to generate multiple documents using the templater application and will help you save your time.